Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be working on the RX8, and if you keep up with me on my socials like Instagram and posting on YouTube, you will know that Maxpeeding Rod sent me a little package of coilovers. It's their new line, and they wanted me to do a nice little install and kind of review of their new T7 coilovers. So that's what I got today. So got the 8 pulled in. Probably start with the front here, get it jacked up, and start ripping the wheel off and put on these new coilovers. Alright, so right here is kind of the tools that I use to do this install. Kind of some basic stuff to hammer tie rods off, get those separated. 10, 12, 14, 15 for the Maxpeeding rods. The new bolts are 15, then 17 and 19, a ratchet, bar, this to take off the little cotter pins, who knows, maybe a zip tie, maybe you don't need those, but use a knuckle and a little extension with a wobble, and use an impact besides that, and a jack to get your wheels off. It's about all the basic tools you do need to do this install. So
better for stopping.
Alright, I got the wheel off. I'll take up the bolts up here, and then last time I feel like this upper control arm and just down there, and we'll be able to drop this. So start pulling this out. Alright, a little bit of an experience thing. I didn't think it was this tough, or that I had to take off this much before, but ended up loosening up the sway bar on the other side too, just so we get enough leverage here and up here. It's kind of a pain in the ass with that top control arm. So yeah, gonna measure out the Maxpeeding rod, make sure it's the same as the other one, so I keep my same height, and then snug her in. Kinda got it measured out the same. Got hopefully my height adjusted. This is a little bit lower, but I think the preload's a little bit higher, and I got that set to all the way soft right now, so I will adjust dampening as I drive the car daily. So let's get this first one in there. Alright, got the fronts in. Everything went pretty good. Just gotta bolt everything back together. Mount the shock, control arm, tie rod in. We're good to go. Alright, front's all on. Kind of looks a little tall, but we still got to do a test drive. Moving on to the rear. Got the wheels off. Trunk open. Alright, we got one of the rears in. And so what made it easier to get it in and out, especially the old coilover, moving the sway bar and this bottom link back here on the bottom. And we were able to slide the old one out. Because if you have stock ones, or if you had this coilover, this is super tall, so it makes it kind of a pain to get out. But the new one goes in super easy because it's super small. So on to the next side. Alright, the Maxpeeding rods are all bolted in. Everything's bolted back together. Look pretty good. Time to put the wheels down, on, and then put the car down and see how she rides. Alright, rears are in. So what is nice about these with that short top hat is I can actually adjust these. Because I'm not too sure how other coilovers are for the RX8 in the rear. Mine were just a stock top hat, so they were super deep. But yeah, actually not too bad to get to. Just remove the covers and we're good. So yeah, got them on super soft. You know, do some testing and see what we got to do. Lower it, raise it, mess with the rebound. Alright, so got the coilovers on. Initially I just kind of matched the same length of them. The rear looks pretty decent. I got everything set to soft on the dampening. The rear, or the fronts, look like they could be lowered. So Gonna go for a drive, see where it settles, and then kind of start adjusting from there. But they're all on. Test drive time. Alright guys, so I got them on, been kind of just like driving around, trying to let them kind of settle, but I kept having a noise. I checked everything and it seems to be coming from the top here. I can't see it in the video, but I'm just kind of lifting up on the brake and everything, and this part right here is just moving up and down. So I'm gonna try to attempt to tighten this and see if that helps, and hopefully that's all it was. So yeah, let's see what that will get us. Other than that, everything seems to be going fine. I still just want to drive it around more, just want to get rid of the loose sounding parts on the car. So it's kind of what I've narrowed it down to, so let's see where that gets us. Alright, so I did get it tightened. I don't hear that sound anymore, just me lifting up on this. So let's put this back together and go for a little test drive. Alright guys, just got back from a little test drive with the RX8, and what I showed you earlier, that little noise, was just the top bolt just needed to be tightened up just a little bit. I don't know if that's more, I don't think it's really manufactured or anything like that. Like, it wasn't, probably should double check everything anyways, regardless. So I did maybe quarter half turn on there and no noise, so I think we're good there. Got everything set to soft, so she rides like that Buick Cadillac Dream, you could say. Kind of floaty, kind of too much for me, honestly, but I gotta lower it down, and so I might just do a couple clicks to hard, gonna see how it drives for the week, get it all lowered up. Thinking I'm gonna do a little review video, like a quick one maybe, just like a week, 2 weeks after kind of deal, after they've kind of settled and I've driven on them for a little while. So other than that, the install went pretty good. No complaints so far, so I appreciate it, Maxpeeding. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Other than that, make sure to like, subscribe, follow, do all that, ring the doorbell thing so you know when I post again about some RX8 stuff and some RX7 stuff. We got an event in Topeka coming up at the end of the month, so I'll definitely be vlogging for that, at least like I did last time. Other than that, until then, peace.